What are some issues I can avoid by having a competent real estate attorney? Attorney Elliot Danziger explains. Real estate varies greatly from location to location. The process and procedures are very local in nature. You should always find a real estate attorney who practices in the area where the property is located. It is also important to use an experienced real estate attorney who is familiar with the aspects of the standard contract of sale, the title report, and who knows how to prepare for the closing properly. In the New York City and Westchester area, it is very difficult for a buyer or seller to purchase or sell a property without an attorney. A lot of legal aspects require an experienced expert to help guide you through the process. Your attorney should be available to answer your questions and explain the various stages of the real estate transaction so you know what to expect. Most experienced attorneys utilize riders that will be negotiated before the contract of sale is signed by the parties. Riders are additional contract provisions that supplement and become part of the contract. For example, when I represent purchasers, I try to negotiate a term in my rider where before the purchaser loses their right to cancel the contract because they were unable to obtain a mortgage commitment, the seller will have to give notice to the purchaser's attorney that they are demanding the commitment letter. That protects the buyer from losing their right to cancel the contract if that commitment date goes by and they have not received an extension of the commitment date from the seller. I also ask the seller to make certain representations or promises concerning the property to minimize risk to the purchaser. When I represent sellers, I negotiate terms that protect the seller, such as clarifying that the purchaser is taking the property subject to certain conditions that may exist on the property, such as a minor encroachment on the boundary line of the property. You should review the contract terms very carefully and speak to your real estate attorney about the terms. This will help your attorney to customize the contract terms based on your concerns and the specifics of your purchase or sale. Danziger Legal PLLC is a law firm that professionally and personally assists clients with legal issues. Our firm specializes in real estate closings, divorce mediation, and collaborative divorce.